What is up, my baddie babes? It's your girl Brianna S, and back with you with another video. In today's video, we're doing another lash extension video for you guys. If you guys are interested, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. I'm so excited to do this video for you guys. I know I have not did one of these videos in a long time. You know, I had to bring it back out and, you know, give what the girls been wanting. So here I am. Period. But yeah, guys, here I am. I'm doing another lash extension video for you guys, and today's video is actually sponsored by this gorgeous lash company called BEYELIAN Eyelash Extensions. I could be saying their brand name wrong, which I do apologize if I am, but you guys do see how gorgeous these lashes are. Look at these lashes. You probably can't see really well because my ring light, but they're so gorgeous. I love their lashes already, and they also have other types of lashes on their website. Everything will be linked in the description box. If you guys are interested in their lashes or anything else on their website, it will be linked in the description box for you guys to check out. But for today's video, I'm going to be using their cluster individual lashes, and this is their DIY cluster individual lashes in the levels 10 through 14. Thickness is 0.7 and the color is black. So yeah, I'm very excited to try out these lashes. I love the packaging. It's super gorgeous. This is the back. This is the front. It shows you how to apply the lashes right on the back, so you guys need some type of more of a detailed instructions on how to apply them. I do have instructions on the back for you guys if you guys are interested in that. I'm so excited to try out these lashes. So enough rambling, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'll be using their lashes, and they even gave me some glue, and this is what their glue looks like. Beautiful packaging once again. I love how this looks. This is how the glue looks inside of the box. This is how their glue looks. It's super pretty. I love it. This is how it looks, and then this is how it would look when you open it. There's actually a brush, so that way you can just brush it on your natural lashes, almost like a mascara. It's great because there's no mess. As you know, some lash glues can get pretty messy, but this one is just a brush on glue, which is so convenient. And I normally use this hair glue, and that can get pretty messy, but something like this, less of a hassle, which is great. So yeah, look, I'm so excited to do this, so let's get right into it. All right, baddies, so I'm just showing you the front of the packaging. As you can see, the lashes are super gorgeous. I'm in love. And this is also the back. It even shows you how to apply the lashes on the back of the packaging, which could be super helpful for some of y'all. I was sent 2 individual cluster cases, but you only need 1 case for your entire look, which is so great. I'm also showing you guys here that these lashes give a C curl effect, and I'm just so in love. It's so pretty. This is how the lashes look when you open the case, and I just love how these lashes are so soft. It doesn't feel like hard plastic at all. And right here, I'm just showing you guys their glue. I love how this glue has a brush, so you can just apply it to your natural lashes like mascara without any mess. So I'm just going to apply the glue right on my natural lashes, just like how you apply mascara. And I just love how this applies. It's not too runny or too thick. So I'm just going to let this sit on my natural lashes until it gets tacky. To apply the clusters, I'm going to be using these eyebrow tweezers. You can use any tweezers that you like. I'm just going to be using these eyebrow tweezers because I found this to be a lot easier. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply that 10mm cluster with my tweezers, and I'm just going to pick it up with my tweezers very, very gently. And this is what the cluster looks like. And now I'm just placing that cluster right underneath my natural lashes where we applied the glue, and I'm just going to make sure that it sticks, and then I'm just going to use my tweezers to clip my natural lashes and clusters together. And this is what it looks like. Super pretty and gives a nice natural effect. So now I'm going to do the same process, but this time putting the glue on the clusters, and I'm just going to place it right underneath my natural lashes, and bam, look how easy, simple that is. Like, we only did 2 clusters and they look nice and full already. And now I'm just applying that last 10mm right next to the last one we just did, and I am making sure that I'm squeezing the cluster and natural lashes together. And now I'll be starting with the 12mm lashes, and I'm just going to place that 12mm right next to the last 10 that we just did. Since I like my lashes a bit more full, I'm just going back and adding that 10mm right between the 10mm we just did, just to give it a nice fuller look. And y'all, you cannot tell me these don't look like real lash extensions. Like, just so fire. So now I'm starting with the 14mm lashes, and I'm just going to place that 14 right after the last 12mm we just did to create that nice hybrid look that I'm going for. Now starting with the 16mm lashes, I'm just going to place that 16 on the outer corner of my eye. Going back with that 14mm lashes, I'm going to place that 14 right between the 16mm just to create a nice fuller look. And you have to be on gold status like me to use your fingers, because I was trying to get really close and my tweezers just wasn't doing it, so I had to use my fingers. So you see me here just placing that 16 on top instead of the bottom, just so I can fill up some gaps and spaces, and also helps to make the look fuller. I also like to squeeze the lashes together so that way they won't move and it'll last so much longer.
Another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life.
Okay baddies, so I am back. I just want to go ahead and show you guys how these lashes look, and girl, I am impressed. Look at these lashes. Like, you would have thought I walked straight out of a lash tech appointment or something. Like, you think I just left my appointment. Look at this. These are not your beauty supply store clusters, okay? Some BEYELIAN clusters, okay? Look, I only used this much. Like, I still have a few more for another time. Like, what? I did stack them just so they can be a little bit more fuller. Of course, you don't have to do that. That's just optional. This is what I like to do because I like a more fuller look. But if you want something a little bit more less dramatic, then of course you don't have to stack them. You can just literally do what I just did without stacking them. But I just love a full look, so that's why I stacked mine. I put some on the bottom and I put a few on top. Like, these are just fire, guys. Like, you need to get these lashes. I'm being so for real right now. You guys need to click that link in my description box and get you these lashes, especially if you struggle fanning your lashes as well. Then yes, you need these lashes because these are fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my left eye now. Go ahead and go right back into these lashes, so let's get right into it. Babe, so this is the finished look. Really love how these lashes turned out. They're so pretty and they look so gorgeous. Like, I am just in love. Would have thought I got these done at the salon. I kid you not, like, they look so bomb. But yeah, I really give it up to BEYELIAN individual eyelash extensions. These are bomb if you are on a budget, and if you're a beginner and you just want something really quick and easy to have that nice lash extension look, then I do recommend this brand. This brand right here, you can see it looks so bomb. Like, it looks like I just left the salon. Like, it looks so good. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested, everything will be linked in the description box, so you can check this brand out. To their glue, to their lashes, everything is bomb and super high quality, and it's just the best. Like, if you're just struggling to fan your lashes, if you're a beginner for DIY lash extensions, then I know fanning can be kind of difficult. So if you just want something quick and just something just to slap on your lashes, then this right here, I'm telling you, is bomb. It's so bomb. Super quick, super easy, and just so beginner friendly, which is really important. So yeah guys, that's pretty much does it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, comment down below and tell me if you guys love this set. Like, I mean, you should, because it looks so bomb, right? Guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.